Hello, welcome to Siranto Kitchen. Today I'll be making baked macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese is like the kids' favorite food to make. My kids they love that. So I'll be using 2 pack of the pasta. Since I'm making it for big family, I'll be using 2 pack. Inside the pan, I just put a hot water on it. Right now I'm just gonna add pasta to it. I'm gonna be using 2 pack of pasta. Then I'll be putting a little bit of salt, is optional, just to boil with it. That's optional, and a little bit of black pepper. So we'll let that boil, just stir it a little bit, and then 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can see it, 1 teaspoon. That's optional. You can choose olive oil or butter, is optional. So we'll let that cook for at least 10 minutes. So right now the pasta is boiling. Like I said, we waited 10 minutes, we just boil. I'm just gonna make the sauce for the pasta. I need a little bit of milk, any kind of milk you have. Just gonna add, since I'm using 2 packs, so I use about 2 cups of milk. And then on the milk, I'm just gonna add yellow American cheese to the milk. Any cheese you like, but usually I start with American cheese, yellow American cheese. I'm gonna just put it like 10 slices of that on it. Add just a little bit of black pepper here on my milk, is optional. And then I'll add 2 pieces of Swiss cheese, but that's optional also. Okay, right now we are about to stir. So the pasta is done. I cook it for like 15 minutes. So you see, they're not breaking. They stay the same, and the milk for it is ready also. So right now, I'm about to mix with the milk. Just on it because sometimes the cheese will just get stuck in the bottom. So we don't need that. Just gonna take that out and mix it very well also. So right now we are about to use cheddar cheese, as you see it. I use cheddar cheese. You can use my and also mozzarella cheese. And when it's time to serve it, you have some Parmesan cheese if you like extra cheese. But I'm gonna just and then add more pasta to it. I'm just gonna cover for extra cheddar cheese. Then right now I'm just gonna use a little bit of mozzarella cheese, not a lot. I'm gonna show you the end when you come out to the oven. This will just go to the oven for like 10 minutes